Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a debit note in TallyPrime. First, let's get TallyPrime ready. You'll need to enable the debit note feature in your company settings. This ensures the option is available for use. Next, confirm your voucher types are configured to accept debit note entries. Finally, double-check that all necessary ledgers, such as the party's account and any relevant expense or purchase return ledgers, are created and active. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth process. Now let's create the debit note. From the gateway of Tally, navigate to Vouchers. Press F10 for other vouchers, and then select Debit Note from the list. You might need to use Alt plus F5 if it's not directly visible. Enter the name of the party you are debiting. Clearly state the reason for this debit note, such as a purchase return or an overcharge. This step ensures clarity and proper documentation for your transaction. Next, we'll add the details of the items or services. Select the specific inventory items you are returning or the service for which you are raising the debit note. Enter the exact quantity, the rate per unit, and TallyPrime will automatically calculate the total amount. It's vital to allocate this debit note against the original purchase bill or relevant transaction. This linking ensures your accounts are accurate and reflects the adjustment correctly. Finally, it's time to finalize and review your debit note. Once all details are entered, press Enter to save the voucher. Before accepting, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information, including party details, item specifics, and amounts, to ensure everything is accurate. After confirming its correctness, you can print a copy for your records or export it to share with the party. This completes the process of creating a debit note in TallyPrime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.